How to promote Temu products on Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm gonna give you a method with the help of which you will be able to easily promote the Temu products on Pinterest. For that, first of all, you just have to make sure that you have signed up for Temu affiliate program. If you have successfully signed up for it, then you will be able to just get the referral product or the referral link associated with your Temu products. So let's say I want to promote this product, so I'll simply click on this product and then you just have to click on the share button in the top right hand corner. Then you will be able to see the copy link option, so you just have to copy the link. It will be your own unique link which you get once you signed up for Temu affiliate program. After that, you just have to open Pinterest app and then you just have to make sure that you just have to create your account on it. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, go to pins and tap on this plus icon in the top. After that, select the pin option and from your gallery select the pin that you want to basically upload on Pinterest, and in that pin you are going to add your link that you have just copied from Temu. So this is the pin that I want to upload on Pinterest. So here you just have to give the title, and in the description you just have to provide the description of the product. Here you will be able to see the add link option, so you just have to paste the link that you have just copied from your Temu account. After that, you just have to select pick a board option, so make sure that you have added a lot of boards that are associated with Temu or something online shopping related. Now once you do this step, you just have to scroll down and click on the create button in the top right hand corner of the screen. After creating your board will be online, or basically your pin will be online, and what this will do is whenever your pin ranks on Pinterest, you are going to get the affiliate commission whenever someone purchases the product from Temu from your link. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.